to show you how to draw a window in SketchUp. I just have a sample shape here, and I'm going to go and get my rectangle tool out, and I'm just going to stretch out a rectangle. Normally you'd measure this and make it an approximate size that you'd want. Next I'll use the select tool, that's the arrow up here, and I'll click that once. When I come inside this rectangle, if I click it, you'll notice that it's highlighted, it's selected, and I can use my delete key to delete the inside of that rectangle. You can see here that it is gone now. So I now have an opening to put a window. So SketchUp has a place where you can download doors, windows, cars, just about anything you want. I'm going to go to the File menu, and I'm going to choose 3D Warehouse, and then I'm going to say Get Models. When I do that, I'm going to do a search for window, and because I did one that was kind of rectangular, I'm going to look for one that's about the same shape. It doesn't have to be exactly, because you can modify that. You can modify it soon. I wouldn't choose something like this for what I just drew, but I'll choose this one here. This is the download button. I'll hit it once. You want to load this into your model, and I'll hit OK. So now it comes in, and you'll see that it's kind of following my mouse around. And what you need to do with this is you need to go to the lower left-hand corner of what you just deleted, and then click on the endpoint. When you do that, you'll see that that is now in that little corner, and of course it does not fit yet. You'll notice too it's still selected, it's still highlighted. So while it's highlighted, I can go to Tools and then down to Scale. If it wasn't highlighted, I would just simply click it once and then go to Scale. And now just treat it like a graphic, like you would if it was a, careful there, if it was in a doc. Just treat it like a graphic, and you can stretch it out. Again, you're stretching it on the same axis that you drew, and so you'll get it to fit in right as you drew it, and now that fits in perfectly. So that's how you can add a window. The same thing is true with doors when you're using SketchUp.